Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to fix shipping and delivery rates or charges are not showing in cart page in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we are going to display shipping charges. Now you see order summary and then you see subtotal $20. Now go to cart page. So we are inside pages and menu, and then you see cart and thank you. So click on cart page and then cart page open. Now close this. So we are in cart page, so click on it and then you see setting. So again click on it. Now cart page pop up open and then you see multiple option, main, setting, design. So click on setting again. Shipping and delivery rates, enable this option. Now close and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to cart page again and refresh the page. So we are in cart page again and then you see order summary, subtotal, delivery. Now you see free. Before this delivery text not show. So we enable this option in cart page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.